Hey everybody, this is Mr. Beckstrom, and I had a question here about finding the area of the shaded region, and it says use the pi key for pi. So here we have, looks like a circle inside a hexagon. So the way I'm going to find this is if I take the area of the hexagon, it's going to give me the area of the complete shaded region inside that hexagon. And then I'm going to find the area of the circle, which will find this area here. And then I'm going to subtract that area of the circle out. So let's go ahead and get started here. The first thing I like to do is, if I can, go ahead and convert my numbers into decimals. So this is 7/10 of an inch. So that's equal to, if you go to your calculator and you do 7 divided by 10, you'll get 0.7. And then 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So the first thing I want to do is find the area of my hexagon. So area, I'm going to put a little h here. It's a subscript just letting me know this is my hexagon. And the area of the hexagon is, it's a crazy formula, but it is 3a squared times the square root of 3 all over 2. All over 2. So in this case here, the a is the side length of the hexagon, so this is going to be 3 times 0.7 quantity squared times the square root of 3 all over 2. So let's go ahead and do this in my calculator here. So what I'm going to do is first of all, we do exponents. So 0.7 squared, that gives me 0.49, and then I'm going to multiply that by the 3. And then times the square root of 3. So I'll do a second square root of 3. So the top is 2.54611, and then I'm going to divide by 2. And I get that the area is 1.273, and I'm just going to keep that whole number in there for now. Now I'm going to figure out, in fact, most calculators will do this. I'm going to do a little trick here. I'm going to store that number as x so I don't have to write it down again. So now whenever I hit the x, that number comes out. Look at this. I hit x, and we got that number back. So now I'm going to take the area of the circle, little c there for circle, which is pi r squared, where r is the radius. So this is going to be equal to pi times 0.5 squared. And let's go ahead and put that in the calculator. So this is 0.5 squared. And then we're going to multiply that by pi, second pi. And I get this big long answer here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the area from the hexagon and subtract the area from the circle. So I'm going to take the area from the hexagon, which I saved as x, and I'm going to subtract this area here from the circle, which I can just use second answer to use my last answer. And I get, if I rounded to 1 decimal place, that would be 0.5 inches squared. 0.5 inches squared. And try to look here. Make sure we get the same answer that they did. Let me take a look here. So first they found the, did they do the, yeah, I can't see everything on the email. But anyways, this should be correct. If you have any questions or I messed up somewhere, please just let me know. And I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Thanks.